Hey, this is Andrea with Holistic Nation. I wanted to shoot a quick video just to share with you what I am doing. I have been doing the whole workout thing probably for about 2 months. I saw myself toning up, but I wasn't moving the scale. I've done the HCG diet before and had excellent, phenomenal results. So I decided that I was going to incorporate it in the new year if I didn't lose the amount of weight that I thought that I should by the time I got finished working out. I'm still walking. I'm not doing any strenuous exercise. I'm not doing cardio or anything like that right now. I will when I go into my stabilization phase. But I just wanted to shoot this video just to show you what it is that I'm doing as far as meal prep. You know, there's a saying that if you fail to plan, then you're planning to fail. So I'm not having these bananas. The bananas are from my mom. I'm a work from home mom. And I actually care for my mother at home. But these apples and oranges are one of the foods that we can have on the diet. I'm going to boil me some eggs so that I can have for quick snacks, or a lot of times the HCG will curb your appetite, so you may forget to eat. And you want to make sure that you're getting in your calories because you are dropping down to a very low calorie diet. So I'll just go ahead and have a couple of eggs 30 minutes after I take the drops if I've missed a meal. I do my coffee in the morning, but I also put detox tea inside of my coffee as well, and I do a decaf coffee because the Daybreak product that I'm using has guarana in it, which is a natural caffeine, but it gives you a lot of mental clarity and focus. And then I wanted to show you some of the seasonings that I'm using. I'm using Himalayan salt. A lot of times I'll use Celtic salt as well. I don't have any right now, but I have the Himalayan salt that I've used today to prepare these meals. And then I use different flavors of Mrs. Dash pepper, and then I also use it's like Pam cooking spray, but it's got all the zeros across the bottom: 0 carbs, 0 fat, 0 calories, because I don't like dry meat. And it's worked really well with me when I've done the plan before. I haven't had any problems or hiccups. And then I'm also incorporating O2 Worldwide's Thrive product. You have got to go to the website, o2drops.com. Get back with the person that invited you to this video if they're a rep. If you don't have anyone, you can always inbox me. But I always encourage you to get back with the person that shared the information with you, because they obviously are a part of O2 Worldwide. And I wouldn't want to be taking anybody's people. So go to the website, take a look at these products. Each product will show you what the ingredients are. I think it's turned upside down. Yeah, it'll show you what the ingredients are on the website, but it's got a lot of ingredients that we're used to, like chaga and ganoderma and goji and noni and like I said, the guarana. Just a lot of fabulous ingredients inside of it. The Thrive has wheatgrass, barley grass. I can't think of some of the other grasses that's in it, but, forget about juicing. You know what I'm saying? You can get what you need out of this sachet as if you were juicing a bunch of fruits and vegetables. And who has time for that? Wanted to show you, this is the bottle that I actually prepared this morning of the Thrive. So I'll sip on this afternoon while I'm working at my computer. I made me some fried cabbage. I'm also boiling cabbage. I have Brussels sprouts over here cooking. And I just turned this down because I was cooking it a little too fast. This is my hamburger patties that I'm going to have. I'll make like bunless hamburgers with mustard. When I have a taste for a hamburger, maybe the kids are eating hamburgers. My nephew and niece are often here. So if they're wanting hamburgers and I don't want to feel deprived, I'll just have that without the bun with like Bibb lettuce. And then also I'm making me some codfish, and I've already seasoned it with some Cajun seasoning, also some lemon pepper, the Himalayan salt. And then I also put the nonstick spray on it as well, and black pepper. So I'm getting ready. I'm actually preheating my oven now. I think it's actually ready. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna pop that in the oven. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've already made my broccoli, my cauliflower for the week. And then I also have like a bag of greens. I use like arugula or chard. Also, I like the really dark green mixes, and then sometimes I do spinach. Another one of the vegetables that you can have on the plan. Well, no, not vegetables, because this is pretty much the vegetables that I enjoy. You can also have greens. I want to add that in too. You can have greens like kale, which is really high in vitamins and minerals. And then you also can have, for fruits, you can also have strawberries as well. Strawberries, blueberries, lemon, apples, and oranges. So this plan is not that hard to do. It's just a matter of preparing the stuff, prepping your meals out so you'll stay focused. You won't get caught up. You won't have a need to grab something that's not, on the diet plan. And I promise you, if you follow this diet plan and you do exactly what you're supposed to do as far as the foods that are on the list, you will lose the weight. I lost 25 pounds the first time I did this diet in 30 days, and I didn't even do it right and lost 25 pounds. So like I said, get back with the person that invited you to the video. We are doing the Thrive and Daybreak challenge. It's actually called the Thrive Challenge with O2 Worldwide. This is Andrea with Holistic Nation. Thank you and have a blessed day.